We draw Ballerina Cappuccina. This lovely coffee cup doesn't just wake you up, it also dances on a ballet stage. Wearing a tiny tutu and a charming smile, she delivers energy and elegance in every spin. Now, we color Ballerina Cappuccina with graceful and stylish colors.